Hi, my name is Woodcutter Robot. I'm a forest management robot. I can climb trees because I am designed to have light weight, and I can even run in rough terrains in the mountains. These are few examples of the abilities that I have. I can cut trees, I can climb up rough terrains to cut down trees, and I can also climb up trees. Impressive, right? Have you heard of the Sustainable Development Goals? There are 17 goals that are shared globally to be achieved by year 2030. Well, my abilities are related to the goal number 15, life on land, because I can help protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests and combat desertification as stated by the UN. But in what ways exactly can I contribute to the SDGs? For example, in Japan, according to the data obtained in 2020, 68.4% of land is considered to be a forest area or land underplanted or natural stand of trees of at least 5 meters in situ. Of these, artificial forest or forest made by humans are said to consist 42.8%. Whereas the yearly CO2 absorption rate decreases for abandoned artificial forests, if maintenance is conducted such as thinning of trees, it can continue absorbing CO2 over the years, which is also an important factor in relation to the SDGs in combating deforestation and climate change. What are the costs related to implementation of me in actual forests? Since the artificial forest area of Japan is 10 million hectares, 100,000 robots are necessary to manage that area. Since one robot costs 1 million yen, the approximate total installation cost is 100 billion yen. That's too much, you would say? Well, according to the calculation using carbon credits, which is a permit that represents 1 ton of carbon dioxide was removed from the atmosphere, that is worth $55 per ton, the robot installation cost can be collected in 3 months. So when actually implementing me, how would the business model work? In case of using the carbon credits, and say you are a farmer that plants trees, the landowner can get money from those carbon credits, the corporation that uses the land for profit will pay to offset carbon dioxide emissions, and a middleman, if applicable, can earn profit along the way through selling and buying of those carbon credits. And I come in protecting and maintaining the forest so the carbon emission does not exceed the expected amount. Thank you for your attention and your interest. Contact us if you have any further questions.